Agent Azrael, like always. We got Hail to the Sun. Will they blame me if you go disappearing? That's a fucking sentence and a half. Hail to the Sun is a thing that was probably requested 4 weeks ago, I would say. The music list is just huge. Dance Gavin Dance is probably the bigger segment. 21 Pilots, excuse me, is pretty big itself. Hail to the Sun has maybe like 1 or 2. Maybe I think this is the only one I got so far. It might be listed somewhere else, but I think this might be it. I was wondering what that noise was. There's a lot of other stuff, so like I definitely put this in the back seat, but I was just kind of scrolling through the music list and I thought, I got no preference this week. I was definitely wanting to do some Dance Gavin a couple weeks ago and some 21 Pilot stuff and kind of, doing all the big names and the stuff that I knew and wanted to kind of hear some of the, Dance Gavin Dance is his own story, but I was just kind of doing some of that stuff. And, Nothing But Thieves, that stuff gets blocked a lot now, especially the music videos. So, I was like, you know what? Let's just try something a little different. Something that's not a music video, obviously, and a band that I don't think I've actually heard before. Maybe I have. I don't think so. But I'm pretty excited to kind of check it out and see what they're up to. And this is a song that was like, from a person that's like, I like the song. Check it out, please. And I was like, yeah, okay, sure. So with that, let's just get into it. Check it out. See what it's all about. Let's hope it's good. Let's go. Kind of even out the sound here.
Of a choices he declined. Dropped in a canyon, that's where you'll reside. Just two of us, but I'm the one alive. That fucking pig deserves to die. And I would love to show him why.
Oh, this is an ending. I think I would have liked this in 2012. I do like it. I would like to hear some of their newer stuff if they have any. Um, I think it's definitely dated by the year for sure. The way it was, the way the guitar was, is definitely reminding me of a lot of, you know, that year. That's 6 years ago, man. That's a whole different genre, almost like a whole different time period. You know, for especially through the 2000s, a lot of music was just coming and going and doing a lot of crazy stuff. I feel like a long time ago, somebody gave me a huge list of Hail the Sun. Isn't there another band called like Hail to the Sun or something like that? I think I have like them on my computer. Um, Overall, I thought that was a good song. It definitely makes you want to listen to what else they have to see what else they're doing. Because I think that song definitely I don't want to say like is dated, but I think that it kind of hits. Oh, it's wait no, that's not it. I thought I found it. Shit. I definitely think it. Oh, Red Sun Rising is what I kind of thought of when I heard that. But yeah, I definitely think it's just kind of the year it was for sure. I definitely think that was the year. Um, the song definitely represents that, in my opinion. If I would have heard it back then, I could have been like, oh yeah, it holds up to the test of time. But I haven't heard this before, and so I can't really make that decision. Hearing it now, 6 years later, I definitely feel that style, right? Excuse me. And I think it was good. They kind of did a lot of stuff I liked. The vocals, it's like the clean kind of yell, kind of whatever that you want to call that, or just singing, I guess. But you know what I mean. He was kind of like he wasn't straining his voice, but he was almost like he was yelling in tune, kind of sound. And I've always kind of liked that about some bands. And I'm interested to see how they kind of do it. It just sounds so weird when I say do it. Within the next 6 years to now, I kind of want to know what their style is turned into, if it's changed at all. But yeah, I had a good time. If you guys want more Hail to the Sun, I definitely have to maybe hear something a little bit more current, and then we can go back and hear some of their newer stuff. That'd be fun as well. Also, like in the beginning, I only slept a little bit, so it's like it's early in the morning. My eyes are really heavy, so if I feel like I was just kind of not paying attention, I was. It's just my eyes were doing its own thing. You can see I just look like I just fucking stayed up for 3 days. With that being said, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you on whatever video I'm doing next. Later, guys.